looks just like a ski lift.
Ski lift. These things can't break, can they?
No.
I'm so scared.
And then we're going to come down this toboggan at the end.
No.
Yes.
How do you?
I guess you can take the lift back.
Can I take a picture of us? This is the scariest thing I've ever done in my whole life.
This is a good way to get up to the Great Wall.
This is crazy. Oh my god, this is too scary. I want to walk down. I don't think I can take that toboggan.
Well, why don't you take the lift down?
It's terrifying. I'm scared. Are we going to take this off?
No, I don't think so.